Let us understand the step-by-step process of entering post-sales activities in Strategic ERP. Navigate to the Post-Sales Activities form under the Sales Management module. In the Post-Sales Activities form, you can perform 4 types of activities such as cancellation of unit, transfer of unit, transfer of amount and refund of amount. For cancellation of unit, select the activity name, date, unit code, member code or project, post-sale type and cancellation type. For transfer of unit, select the activity name, date, cancellation reason parameter, unit code, member code or project. The cancellation reason parameter will be fetched from the other master's form. Details such as unit code to cancel, member name, project name, subproject, flaws, unit number and sale area will be auto-fetched based on the selected unit code and member code. Enter the member code and unit code to which the unit is being transferred. Other related details will auto-populate based on your selection. For transfer of amount, you can transfer the amount from one project to another project. Select the activity name, unit code and member code. The transferred amount details between units will be auto-fetched based on your selection. For refund of amount, you can initiate a refund once the unit is cancelled. Select the activity name, unit code and member code. You can also enter additional details such as member name, project name, flaws, unit number, sale area and compensation amount. Select the compensation ledger. Save the data so it will be stored in draft stage. Verify the information and get it approved by the concerned authorities. The process of entering post-sales activities is now complete.